Hello, everyone. It is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to talk about getting a ride with Uber and Lyft. This video is about Uber. First, to get a ride with Uber, you must download the app. So, you must type in the search bar Uber, U-B-E-R, Uber, and click or press on Uber. Next, you have to install and allow location, which is place. So, press or click install, then press open, then say allow Uber to access this device's location and click the top button while using the app. You must press this button for Uber to work. Next, you will set up your account. So, press Get Started here. Get started. First, you will enter your phone number. Your phone number. Second, you will enter the numbers from the text you received. So, Uber will send you a text. You must copy the numbers from the text and type them here. Next, you will enter your email address. Email address, like sarahpackman@gmail.com. Make a password. Be sure to write it down so you don't forget it later. So your password must be 8 characters long, so 8 letters or numbers long, must have 1 letter and 1 number. Next, you will enter your name, first name and last name. Then you will choose how you want to pay. Credit or debit card, commuter benefits, PayPal, Venmo, or gift card. If you say credit or debit card, you will press the arrow and enter your payment information. Your payment information. Now we will talk about how to call a ride. So, first, you will press the clock to set a time. Press set. So, pick your time. Let's say you need a ride today at 4:30 p.m. Or if you need a ride now, you do not have to pick a time. Next, press where to. Search where you want to go. Press the address. So, if I want to go to the airport, I will type airport, then pick the address. Next, I will choose which kind of ride you want. Press confirm. So, I want an Uber X. It costs $26.43. I will click or press confirm. Choose where you want to meet your driver. Press confirm pickup. So, I want to meet my driver here on River Green Drive. I will press confirm pickup. To change where this is, I will press choose your pickup spot. Read the COVID-19 safety rules. Press ready to ride. The safety rules like wear a mask. Wait for your driver at the pickup spot. This driver is named William. He is 17 minutes away. See, we see his name, William. He is 17 minutes away. This map shows where William is. Before you get into the car, make sure the car model and license plate match what the app says. William drives a black Nissan Rogue. The license plate is CIA 4834. I can see here the license plate and car model. Okay, now we will talk about some general tips for using Uber. Make sure your location services are allowed in settings. Call your driver very early. If you need to be somewhere at 2 p.m., call them at 1:30 p.m. Always double check the driver's picture, the car model, and license plate number. You must wear a mask. The driver must wear a mask. Remember, the same driver will not come back to take you home. You have to open the app and request a driver again. All right. Thank you.